Okay, so I'm gonna start out by outlining the top part of her suit. I'm gonna fill out the black area with my Athena makeup paint palette. Okay, so now I'm about to go in with that yellow, and I'm gonna just go in a little behind these red lines. Since I'm running low on setting powder, I'm going to go in and do my face first, because, and then once I'm done with my face, then I'll be done with my body, and we can go that way. So the foundation that I'm using is my Estee Lauder foundation in the shade Amber Honey. And I'm gonna just speed this way through because this is literally just me putting on foundation. So I'm trying to decide what shade of blue I want to go in first with my face. I finished my face makeup already. Let me see how this blue do. So now I'm gonna deepen this color. I'm gonna deepen this color in the inner so it can go from like dark to light. Okay, so I just got done going in with that dark blue. I'm gonna go back in with that light blue around like the edges to bring back that. And I'm also gonna go in with a little bit of dark purple in the middle to make it more darker. I'm just gonna be playing with these three colors until I get the blend that I want. I know for sure that I'm going for like a darker shade in the middle and it to go off into like, you know, purple. I mean, different shades of blue coming from the purple. I'm going in with that setting powder and I'm gonna press this, set this in, and then I'm gonna go back and put some more color on top. Now I'm going in with my Lisa Frank eyeshadow palette from Morphe, and I'm going to go in with this dark shade of purple first in the middle. Now I'm going to go in with that dark blue. Actually, I'm going to go in with this shimmery blue to see how that go. And then I'm gonna fix this because this is giving, y'all, this is not giving what it's supposed to be. I'm going in with this white paint and I'm going to draw my lightning strikes. Fill in this little medallion in red, and then I think I'm gonna make it pop with some red glitter. Using that black, I'm going to outline the top. I'm I'm gonna try to do it in as little strokes as possible so I can get a good line. So I added some blue lipstick, which is blue paint, and I'm gonna go in with some white eyeshadow and apply that in the middle of my look. Might be easier to go in with white paint. This isn't the look I was going for, but it'll work. So this is the final look, y'all. This is the final look, y'all. Are you fucking done? This is the final look, y'all. I loved how it came out. Only thing I would change is my nose is really purple. That's really the only thing. I really like how like the top came out, and it's cute. I really wish I had some light contacts, but the wig is enough. The wig is enough. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Follow my socials, and I will see you tomorrow for day 3 of my series.